How to use collection filtering in Lambda expressions in Kotlin. Example, tired of messy Lambda code cluttering up your Kotlin app? Learn how collection filtering can declutter and simplify your Lambdas in just 5 minutes with this easy Kotlin tutorial that will have your code looking clean and professional. How to use collection filtering in Lambda expressions in Kotlin. Example. A very popular example is filtering lists using the .filter curly braces standard library function. You pass a predicate Lambda to filter that returns true or false to select elements. Here's an example on screen. Clear variable called val numbers in the list of type list of. Then you have a list of numbers, and then you declare another variable called val evens, and then it applies the numbers then you say numbers dot filter. Then you say it divided by 2 equals 0, 0 in curly braces, which is to say that you filter the even numbers to produce another variable to insert the even numbers into the evens variable. And then we can filter by any condition without requiring temporary variables or loops. So chaining the filter, a function, and map function together is also common. The example is below. Val filtered and mapped equals values. That we declare a variable called val filtered and mapped equals values. Then you apply the dot filter it greater than 2 in curly braces, and then the dot map it times 3. This maps all values over 2 to triple their value. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.